Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. Today I want to talk to you about the Neewer GM27 fluid head. Now this head is the one I used to have and it broke. You can see here the head wore out, the little gizmo here to loosen and move the head around the ball of the head. But I wanted to get a fluid head, so this was no good, but I wanted to order a new fluid head. So I did order one online and I got it right here and it came in a few days. It's the Neewer GM27 fluid head. Now I want to tell you the pros and I also want to tell you the cons. I did purchase this myself. This was not sent to me by Neewer. So I'm going to be fair and upfront. Doesn't matter if I got it for free or not. I'm going to tell you as it is. So I'm going to give you the pros and the cons. So I got it in a couple days, no problem. Box came like this here. Unfortunately, it had a little damage on the box here. I'm not sure if that's during shipping, but sometimes that does happen. I'm aware of that, and that's not the problem. The item was not damaged. So I got the item, and here it is right here. So I took it out of the box. I looked at it, and let me just move the box out of the way. I have to say the quality is excellent. Okay, I mean it's got a good fluid head. I've had some high-end fluid heads, and this is a good fluid head. It's got a good turn ratio. It's got that really nice flexible option available for the pan and tilting is nice. It's got a little bubble level here. Hard to see, a little bubble level right here, so you can actually level it. It's good. The only problem I have, it's really difficult to tell online. So it's got the extension arm here that goes out, which is great. I mean, the build is decent. The quality is decent. It doesn't have a quick release mount. I mean, you have to really loosen the whole thing up to get it out. I wouldn't call that a quick release. It's not a quick release, at least in my book. Quick release means, you hit a button or snap, boom, comes right out. But it doesn't mean it's bad. It just means that's just how this is made. You can see the quality is, like I said, the quality is excellent. It's got a nice little grip on it. It's just small. So make sure when you're looking at the fluid heads, make sure you know the size that you need. So, you really sometimes can't tell. So that's why I'm making this video to really to give you some education, to teach you how this works. So it does come with an adapter for, I think it's a 1/4 inch size to an 1/8. This just comes out here, you can see. So you can put it into a larger tripod, which is great, or you can use it to a smaller tripod. So the pros are it's an excellent quality, it's good, it's decent. I mean, it's overall nice finish to it. It does work as intended. It's got a good fluid head to it. It's got a nice flow to it. It's a little stiff in the beginning, but it will loosen up over time. That's great. This does extend, which is nice. I like that. That works fantastic. So that's the pros. The pros is it's perfect. It works well. The box was dented. You saw that. It's got the locking mechanism here. You can adjust the pivot on it. It's got a lot of good features for a small head. Actually, it really does, and it's made quite well. I like Neewer. Neewer has nice stuff. They have nice quality stuff. I have their lights, so I have some of their items, so no issues at all. But I don't like it's just too small. I didn't realize how small the base was. So when you're looking for a tripod, if you're looking for a head, make sure it matches the tripod as much as possible. So this belongs on a very small tripod, or you can use with your phone. So if you're shooting with your phone, that's okay. Anything bigger, maybe it won't work. That's the first issue. So make sure you know what you're buying when you purchase something like this. So this was the head that came off of it. Okay, you can see the difference. It's a lot bigger. And the base, now here's the giveaway, and I should have looked myself. The base is a lot smaller. So the base of the system, the base of the tripod, you can just see there's a huge difference in size. So that's and that's not really a con. It's just more like education. You need to know. It's just like it's just small. So you have to make sure you look out for that. Make sure you understand how that works. I mean, the bad thing, I didn't like the release on that. That's not really good for what I'm looking for. If you're looking for a good fluid head for the price point, it's very good, but it's just too small. So make sure you know where it's going to fit. Make sure it's going to be the right size, and that's important because I have my millimeter rule here, and I ordered another one, so that's fine. So the one that I have here is approximately 43 in the base, 43 millimeter, and this one here is around 37. So it's just too small for the base of the head. First of all, it looks kind of foolish. And I have I use a rig when I do my shooting with the light and the whole thing. I'll show you that real quick. Let me just show you what that looks like. Okay, so you can see the rig I'm using here. I put my phone in here. I got lights, wireless microphones, and it's just I mean, it's okay. It's just a little bit too small for me. If you use anything bigger and a bigger camera, it's going to be a little bit tough to manage. It just looks, to me, it just looks too small. For a small tripod, it's perfect. If using it just for your phone by itself, it's absolutely perfect. But I don't like this quick release. It's not really a quick release. That's just a downfall. It is what it is, and I mean, it's definitely a good fluid head. I don't dislike it. It's just too small for the rig. Too small for the head for the tripod. So that's the one thing you just have to be aware of when you're shopping fluid heads, and make sure they are correct. But I think this is a great head. I like it quite a bit. It's made quite nice, I have to tell you. Here's just a little shot of it close up. You can see how it looks. It's got all the pivot points. It's got all the measurements here, so you can really be very precise. It's got a beautiful fluid head, and there's no question about it. Just make sure you're picking the right one. So it's definitely, if it fit the right I would have kept it if it fit the tripod correctly, but it's just too small. So make sure you're checking the base of your base, because there's all different size bases depending on your tripod. So that's what I have for you. So I'm unfortunately going to return this one. I did order a new one. It is a little bit more money, but it doesn't really matter, because if it doesn't work correctly, I won't be happy, and you won't be either. So hopefully I brought you a little bit of value. I showed you a little bit about this head. It's a great head. I give you the pros and cons in my opinion, and just make sure you just pick the right size for the job. If you have a tiny tripod or a small tripod, actually a little monopod, something tiny, fine, this is great. But if you're looking for a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier, maybe just not perfect. So that's all. So just take a look, make sure you pick the right one, and that's great. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, I really appreciate your time. Hope I taught you a little bit about this. Hope I just educated you a little bit to give you some information. So when you go ahead and try to decide kind of, head you want, fluid head, try to pick the right one and make sure it fits correctly. I made a mistake. Hopefully you won't make a mistake. Just check the measurements, and don't be fooled, because you really can't tell online how big it is. It's quite small, as you can see. It's in my hand. So it's a small head, but it's beefy, but it's small. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. And if you are interested, there's a link in the top right hand of this video. Go ahead and click on that. I do get a small commission. It does help me and cost you nothing. Appreciate your time as always. Hope you enjoyed.